Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at all of that PEZ. Hi guys, look who we have with us today. We have Minnie and Guy Diamond, Chase, Sky, and Mickey. And this microwave full of PEZ, no way. Should we open it up? Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at all of that PEZ. Let's get it all out of there. Oh my goodness, look at all these flavors. We have lemon and cherry and strawberry and raspberry and grape. We have 5 different flavors. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's pull all of these out of the way. And we're gonna turn these guys into PEZ dispensers. All right, let's see, what colors should we do, everyone? Let's do Mickey red. Let's do Sky pink. What color should Chase be? Let's do Chase yellow. Guy Diamond purple. And then Minnie's gonna be this dark pink. Ooh yeah, those look like some good colors. All right, let's start with Mickey. We're gonna put Mickey in here with some PEZ. And then we're gonna press one of these special buttons. Let's do the pizza one. Now let's see what happens. No way, look! We got Mickey back as a PEZ dispenser, and we still have some PEZ to put in there with him. No way, look, we gotta open up these PEZ. Oh, funny, look, these PEZ are pink. Why are they pink? PEZ, oh, you're funny. Whoop! Alright, there's all of our PEZ. We need to put them all in Mickey. Here we go. Look, they barely fit in there. Oh, he has them all in his PEZ now. Look, let's take a couple out. Ooh, yummy. There we go. Alright, let's do our next one. Let's make sure you can see Mickey. Okay, our next one we have is Sky from Paw Patrol. Check that out. All right, let's put her in there with her raspberry candy. And our special pizza button. Here we go. No way, check it out. We got a Sky PEZ dispenser. Look. And we have this raspberry PEZ candy we're gonna put in. All right, let's put them in Sky. These ones smell good. They're raspberry PEZ. All right, look, yum. Oh, this one broke too. You guys are ridiculous. There we go. There's our Sky PEZ dispenser. All right, now we need to do our next one. Our next one is Chase. Woohoo, look how happy Chase is. He's so excited to be a PEZ dispenser. All right, here we go with our special pizza button. Check it out. We got a Chase PEZ dispenser. Now let's fill him up with his lemon PEZ. There. Oh my goodness. See, look, he has a little yellow on his hat, so the yellow's a good color. Look how cool he looks. He doesn't have his mouth all happy open like the other Chase, but Look, he's still smiling. Let's get some PEZ out. Oh yeah! These PEZ are so fun. Okay, look who we have next. Guy Diamond. Whoop! He gets his purple PEZ with our pizza button. Here we go. Look! Ah! We got Guy Diamond PEZ dispenser. Look how glittery he is. So let's open him up. Oh no. Ugh. Come on, PEZ. Get out of there. Get out of there, PEZ. Oop, one came all the way back here. There. There, that's enough. Let's fill up Guy Diamond. This is grape flavored PEZ. Check it out. PEZ. Look at all these cool PEZ dispensers. All right, we only have one left. It's Minnie. And she has our cherry PEZ. So let's do our special button. Here we go. Oh, look how funny. We got our mini PEZ dispenser. And look, she still has a special bow on. Oh my goodness. So let's open this PEZ up. Look. Ooh, we got it all stacked. Let's try to put it in there like that. Oh, look how fast we got those in there. That was pretty awesome. Look, this is our cherry PEZ. Sweet. Oh my goodness, look at all of our fun PEZ dispensers we have. Those were so fun to make out of our microwave. Oh my goodness, we have so many PEZ still. All right, say bye to all of our PEZ dispensers. Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's keep going. Look how good her red hair looks. Hi guys, look at all of these aqua beads our Paw Patrol brought us. That looks so cool. We're going to use these aqua beads to make some princesses. Isn't that gonna be awesome? Yes. Why don't we go ahead and get started? Here's our little kind of holder we're gonna put them all on. And why don't we start with Ariel? We got slide Ariel right in here. We gotta get her lined up on. Make sure she's lined up like that. There, that's good and lined up. And I got my cool little aqua beads pen. And now why don't we go ahead and get started? Let's start with her red hair. All of her red hair. Let's start with that. Okay, we're gonna start by pushing down on all of her red, all of the red ones, and this is going to make her hair. All right, let's keep going. Look how good her red hair look. Look at all of her hair. We're almost done. There. Look, we have all of Ariel's red hair done. Now, let's do this pink flower on her head. So we have a yellow aqua bead in the middle, and then pink ones on the outside to make the flower. Look how cute that is. Okay, so now we're putting all of these right where her skin should be. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's keep going. We're almost done with all of her skin. This is her arm. Got an extra one right there. Okay, now let's do her cheeks and her eyeballs. Her eyeballs are black. So here's her eyeballs, 2 little black ones. And we have 2 pink ones for her cute little cheeks. There we go. Look how good that looks. All right, next up, let's do her seashell bra. Cute little thing. It's made out of purple jewel aqua beads. Look how cool those ones look. All right, let's keep going. These next ones have some normal green ones, but also some jewel green ones. So first, let's do our normal green ones, which these 3 on top are normal green ones. And then we also have the green ones down here on her tail. All right, so here are our normal green ones. There! Okay, now we just have to finish with her green special gem ones. All right, now let's finish up her gems. Just finish off these gem ones, and look at that! We're done with Ariel! Look how cute she's gonna be! Oh my goodness. Here's our cute pink spray bottle. We're just gonna spray Ariel super good. There, did we spray her good enough? I think we did. Okay, now let's let Ariel dry while we do some other princesses. We have our other little holder. And look at these 2 princesses. Who is that? It's Belle and Rapunzel. Aren't you so excited? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on these guys. First, let's do Belle. Belle has brown hair. Okay, here's our brown aqua beads. So let's start doing Belle's hair. Belle has brown hair. Look at that! I'll finish with Belle's hair. Okay, now let's do these jewels up on Belle. It's like her pretty crown. They're made out of yellow jewel. Here they come. Look how pretty those are. Okay, now let's do her skin. Okay, now let's do all of her skin. Okay, now we have to do her hands. These are her hands right here. There. Now let's do her eyes, her cheeks, and her earrings. Here we go. There's her eyes and her cheeks. And look, she has jewel earrings. Pretty. Okay, now look. She's carrying a rose, so let's do her rose. Here we go. Here's the red part of her rose and the green stem. Perfect. Okay, now let's do her dress. Look, these are her shoulders and then this part of her dress. Perfect. Now look, The bottom of her dress has light yellow and some jewels. All right, so here we go with her jewels. Look how pretty her jewels are. Now we just do this light yellow. Perfect. Look how cute she is. Yes. Okay, now let's do Rapunzel. Rapunzel has a lot of yellow hair. So let's do all of her hair first. All right, let's keep going with her hair. Wrong one right there. There, look, we got all of her blonde hair done. Now, let's do her skin. All right, here we go with all her skin. There, that's almost all of her skin. We just have one more. This is her other hand. There. Okay, now let's do her eyeballs. Her eyeballs are black. There we go. Okay, then we need all these pink ones. Her cheek right there. And then all these ones is part of her dress. There, look how pretty. Okay, now let's do this flower up in her hair. Here we go. There's orange on the inside, then white on the outside. Look how pretty that flower is. Okay, now we need 2 green jewel ones right there and there. Pretty flowers. Okay, we need another orange one and some dark blue. See, here's our 3 dark blue and our orange one. We need one more white one. Okay, there's those white for the dress. Now we have to do her dress. First, let's do just our normal purple. See, there's this line of just normal purple aqua beads. Now we are going to do our jeweled aqua beads. Here we go. These are all of our jewel aqua beads, which will be her dress. There, look how pretty. We have Rapunzel and Belle. Now all we have to do is spray it. Let's use our cute little pink squirt bottle again and spray them really good. There, look how good we sprayed. Now we just gotta let them dry and then we can look at them and pull them off. Okay, look, they're finally finished. Let's pull them off. Look, here's our cute Belle with her cute rose, and look how cute her earrings are. Oh my goodness, I love how she turned out. Woo! Super flexible. They are so stuck together too. And look, here's Rapunzel. Look at all of her cute flowers in her hair. I love it. She looks cute too. Look at her cute crystal dress too. Sparkle jewels. Okay, and now we gotta, let's get Ariel up here. Ooh, look how pretty she is. Cute little mermaid. Look how pretty this part is. It's made out of jewels. And her cute little bra. Cute. All right, there's all of our princesses. Alrighty, say bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.